guys, Seb here from Carlist.my. Today we are at the Sepang International Circuit for the Southeast Asia premiere of this. Behind me is the all-new Ferrari 296 GTS. This is the drop-top version of the 296 GTB. Check it out. Alright guys, this is the 296 GTS, and as you can see, it's in the, I believe, the 250 LM livery. This is a part of the Assetto Fiorano pack. For those who only get the Assetto Fiorano pack, only then you can get it finished in this 250 LM livery. Now, as stated before, this is the GTS, meaning it's the Gran Turismo Spider. So it's a drop-top version. It's a retractable hardtop as compared to the 296 GTB. But they've managed to clean the lines, maintain the figure of the sexy GTB with the GTS. Even with no roof, you can see that it's all clean, it's all sexy, it's all good. So as you can see, you have a bit more headroom in the GTS because there is no roof. It's retractable now, and on the inside it looks like the F8. Basically it's more or less the same as the GTB, only with different design seats and a bunch of aero flaps at the back to reduce wind buffeting when you're driving with the top down. So because of this Spider setup, it is actually 70 kilograms heavier than the GTB, but everything else has been maintained. So the engine is the same, chassis might be a bit different, but the looks of it all, even when the hardtop is up, it's hard to differentiate between the GTS and the GTB. Underneath that hood lies a 2.9 litre twin turbocharged V6 with an electric motor that produces 830 horsepower with 740 Newton meters of torque. So exactly the same as the GTB. Now, yeah, it's also a plug-in hybrid, meaning that you can charge it up, and when you are in all-electric drive mode, you can get up to 25 kilometers of pure electric driving range. So here we are at the back, and as you can see, the back looks sexy as hell. Now, they've managed to mount the exhaust up high because they want to make way for the huge rear diffuser at the back. Yeah, even though the car has smooth lines, smooth looks, sexy looks, the aerodynamic properties on this is insane. Now, as mentioned before, this is the 296 GTS with the Assetto Fiorano pack, because yeah, only the Assetto Fiorano pack comes with this colorway, and it is also an option. Now, what you get in the pack is this: some carbon fiber appendages to add 10 kilograms more downforce than what you already have without the Assetto Fiorano pack, some Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, a bunch of other lightweight materials that help with further reducing its weight. Its dry weight standard is at 1,500 something kilograms. Yeah, you can reduce it down. And yeah, if you want your very own Ferrari 296 GTS, they have priced it at 1.448 million ringgit. That is before duties, taxes, options and insurance. Right, so that's it for me when it comes to the new Ferrari 296 GTS. If you'd like to know more about Ferrari's 2.9 litre V6 twin turbo hybrid mid-engine supercar, rear-wheel drive, you know where to go. Just head over to Carlist.my. All the details are there, including the price. So I'll see you again in the next video. Ciao.